All right, let's talk about the question you had regarding the thumb. So, yeah, some people do have a pretty tough time with it. Like whenever I use my 7 string, it's way harder to use the thumb over the top for some stuff. So, what you can do is you got to use your index finger to be up underneath the low E string. So yeah, the index finger's got to be up under there. So that's what you got to do if you can't get your thumb over the top. Some people will use their middle finger to mute it. They just got used to it that way. So that's something I never do. So I can't really demonstrate it in real time because it would just be a mess because I never do it. But that is an option. People just got used to putting their middle finger gently over that E string. So that's another way. But I think the index finger going up underneath is probably the best way if you can't use your thumb, because we need to do that when we get into this kind of stuff anyway, because the index finger is always up underneath the adjacent string. But if you wanted to try getting your thumb over the top more, some things that let's see if there's a place on the fretboard you can do this. So let's say we're holding this A5 way up here on the 12, 14, and 14. Try putting your thumb over the top and hold the F note. So that would be fret 13. See if you can hold that. It might be better to do this one clean. Neighbors are thumping on the wall downstairs. That threw me off. They just moved in. I think they're building things. And anyway, just make sure you can hear all the notes well, and then start moving down 1 fret at a time. So eventually, just work your way down further and further. Because sometimes it's just a matter of figuring out how to position your hand and all that to be able to get the thumb over the top. Because like because like if you can put your hand, like hold it like this, I would think most people should be able to pull off holding the thumb over the top. Some people just have really small hands, or the neck is too big. And again, certain things it won't work well, because like if I was to hold this chord here, there's no way my thumb's going over the top. I have to have the thumb back behind here to hold the stretch. So if it's just a matter of like if the stretch is too big, then that can certainly prevent you from holding your thumb over the top. But that's why I recommend starting up here. Like, can you do this? If you can, then you're able to start slowly working further and further down the fretboard as the frets get wider and wider. So that's an option to try working on getting that thumb over the top. So this one here, let's just keep the chords on the low string so we don't have to worry about the the muting stuff for right now. But try the thumb over the top, little chord movement thing, see how that goes. And we can always do things where you practice, having the index finger up underneath. I mean, even now you could do that. Just move chords around up here, have that index finger up underneath, have your index finger laying across the top 2 strings as well, making sure that everything you're not playing is muted, and just strum all the strings. So you see I'm holding or strumming all the strings, but just muting the low E with my index finger, having it up underneath, and then the top 2 strings just barely touching it with the index finger. So another thing you can do to practice muting. Okay, with that being said, we are expanding on the rhythm that you played. So the same strum pattern happens the whole time. So you have your down stroke, you miss it twice, hit your up stroke, miss it twice. So we got the polyrhythm and a polymeter once again. So polyrhythm and polymeter at the same time. So the polymeter, because the strum pattern repeats every 3 beats, but we're changing chords after every 4 beats. So every new bar will have the chord change. So basically, what you've locked into that strumming pattern makes it a lot easier. So as I'm playing through this, I'll count things different at different speeds. So like at the slow speed, I'll count it like it's a 3/4. So do like the 1, 2, and 3, 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 1, 2. I played that wrong. Let me slow down. 1, 2, and 3, 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 1. And 3, 1, 2, and 3. Or another way of doing it is just count 3 the whole time. So you'd have basically like how many times you strum. So like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, But as I get going faster, I just count how many times I played the chord, because, you know, once you're locked into that strumming pattern, you can just count how many times you've played the chord, so you know when to change. So like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Either way is fine. However, whichever way helps you play the rhythm your best, that's the thing to go with. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. That's my favorite way. Hit that speed going 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So on. All right, now I'm just going to count how many times I played the chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, done. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap my foot better. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh boy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna go down to 200 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new video.